This is going to be a quick review of the Ogio Gambit Backpack. Ogio makes some of the most amazing backpacks out there, both in quality and functionality, features. Just amazing, and the Gambit is one of the best. Now, just before I start, I just want to kind of warn you, there are different versions of the Gambit. So the one you're looking at may be slightly different than the one that I'm reviewing. So make sure you pay attention to all the details and specifications of the one you're looking at in comparison to the one that I'm reviewing. But this is the Gambit Backpack by Ogio. You can see they got their logo on. That's their logo, that's their main logo, there's a logo there, it's everywhere. So anyway, let's start taking a look at it. You can see you've got a pocket right up front that opens completely wide, and then once you're in there, look at that, you've got pockets here. This has a little Velcro thing, pin pockets, pockets there, mesh pocket here, zip pocket here, and then over here you've got another mesh pocket. So just first pocket on there, you've already got tons of space. Now you get to the second pocket. We're going to open that up, and you can see nice big pocket. Again, you've got a zip pocket over here on this side. Then on the other side, you've got nice felt lined pocket, and you can see it goes kind of up all the way, so lots of space there. And we're going to zip that back up. And then right above that, you have this pocket. This is a smaller pocket, and you can see it's got this spot here, and then you've got two mesh pockets, possibly a good place to put a mouse or something, possibly. Lots of different things you can put in this bag. And now we've got the next pocket. We're going to unzip that, and that's the large pocket. You can see very large space there. Opens up pretty wide, and you've got this extra pocket here on the front flap, and then all this space in the back, and then you've even got a space back here, so you could put possibly a tablet or something. If you have a larger tablet, you could put it there. If you have a smaller tablet, you'd want to put it probably in this pocket. That's why this is felt lined. It's felt lined for like a smaller tablet. But that's that pocket. Now, so many zippers on this thing. Now here on the top, this is cool. This is a hard shell pocket. You can see it kind of is in the shape of glasses, and that's what it's for. I mean, not that that's the only thing you can put in there, but see, this is hard. This doesn't squish up or anything. So you could put sunglasses or prescription glasses, whatever in there, or anything you want to stay protected that can't be have a lot of pressure on it. You put it in here, and you know it's going to be safe because that is a hard pocket that keeps its shape. So that's a really cool feature. And then you have this top back pocket, and this is for your laptop. And open that up here. This is just my laptop sleeve that I have. Move that out. But you can see if you open this, you've got this pocket, and this is nice, thick, soft foam in the back here. And so you've got that pocket. You could put your laptop there if it's a smaller laptop. If it's a bigger laptop, you could put it in this pocket, because you can see that pocket has a lot of space. So that's that pocket. But we're not through, because of course you've got pockets on the side. So over here you've got this little mesh pocket here, and you've got a drawstring thing here. Then you've got this larger pocket. This is sort of the shape of glasses, a little bit smaller, but you can see you've got that pocket there. Then on the other side, basically you've got the same thing mimicked on this side as well. You've got your mesh pocket there. This one has like a elastic strap, so that if you put something in there, it will hold the elastic. So like you could put a bottle in there. It's not like a bottle size pocket, but you could put a bottle behind that elastic and leave this unzipped, and the elastic would kind of hold it there. That's what that's for. And then you've got this pocket here, where you've got just another pocket for more stuff. Now besides all of that, you've got this great grip handle here. It's kind of a suede grip handle. And then you've got these nice backpack straps. They do have the chest strap to go across your to snap it across your chest, and super comfy. You can see you've got thick mesh padding all the way around this, and makes it so that the whole thing isn't against your back. Just this part and this part would be against your back. This is a nice molded foam though here, and yeah, you've got that to keep you comfortable, and then also you got the mesh padding on the straps to stay comfortable. You also, all these straps have these loops on it, so you can clip something in there if you want to. And then this particular one also has luggage handle pass-through. So if you have a carry-on luggage with a handle, you can put this over that, you know, lift up your handle, put this over that, so that you don't even have to carry this on your back. You can just have it sitting on top of your luggage with your handle up through here. Now again, not all of them have that, so if that's something you want, make sure you pay attention to the one you're looking at, because not all their backpacks have that. Some do, some don't. Like I said, they have a whole lot of different things, so different features on different things. Oh, I forgot to mention this strap, the chest strap. Look, it slides, so you can slide it up or down to get it to where you want it. Obviously, the straps themselves are adjustable. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just really awesome, high quality backpack with amazing, I mean, just pockets for everything, room for everything. Small enough to be considered a carry-on or an extra bag, but large enough to hold so much stuff. This one is specifically designed to work and carry a laptop as well as a tablet, but most of the ones they make could carry something like that. But if you're looking for one specific for that, make sure, again, pay attention to the exact specifications of the one you're looking at. But this is just a general overview of the Ogio Gambit Backpack, the different features and the different things it offers. Really excellent backpack, and definitely a backpack that I would highly recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share this video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite my playlist, to keep up with future product reviews. If you have any questions, just post them down below, and I will do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.